Welcome viewer, I am Murugan S. This video tutorial describes, fix Microsoft Teams error your computer's trusted platform module has malfunctioned. First method is right-click Start button, click Run, type %local app data %, click OK. Click View, check Hidden Items. Open Packages. Copy Microsoft AAD Broker plugin folder and paste it into desktop folder for backup. Delete Microsoft AAD Broker plugin folder. If any error in deleting folder, login with administrator account or administrator rights account. Right-click Start button, click Run, type %local app data %, click OK. Click View, check Hidden Items. Open Packages. Delete Microsoft AAD Broker plugin folder. Log in with your account. Second method is type Credential Manager in Windows search bar, click Credential Manager. Click Windows Credentials. Delete Microsoft Office credentials. Open Word. Click Account Settings. Sign out your account. I hope this video tutorial helps to you. Please like, share and don't forget to subscribe my channel. Thank you very much. See you next video.